diri sa atuang munisipyo, we have to always remember, culture is not simply remembered. It is lived. The importance of our celebration today goes beyond festivities. It is a reminder of our responsibility, mga kapwa ko taga-Malungon, IP man or non-IP, to preserve our indigenous roots, to protect our ancestral traditions, and above all, to ensure that our customs are passed on with pride and dignity. This has been further anchored with strength and legitimacy, pinaagi sang usa ka ordinansa. This policy serves as a reminder that the indigenous communities should be celebrated and recognized garbo sa atong pagkatawo bilang tribong Blaan o taga-Kaulog. So padayon kita sa pagpalig-on sa atong kultura o pagpasigarbo sa atuang tribo. Mabuhay ang tribong Blaan, mabuhay ang tribong taga-Kaulo, mabuhay ang Ginoo sa nalangit nganong ing-ani na kanindot ang atong munisipyo. Warmly welcome everyone to the 18th Slang Festival.